Hello everybody, this is Calvin. All of us want to be rich, but most of us will never make it because of poor money habits. Here are 5 habits that are keeping you poor and what you can do to break these poor habits and form rich habits. If you like this video, please be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. You don't monitor your finances. You may have an idea how much your paycheck comes into the bank account every month, but do you know what your expenses are? If you have no idea about your finances, you are like most people, and this is one main reason why you will stay poor. Rich people are aware of their finances, their cash inflows and cash outflows. Start with your recurring costs. Start with an Excel spreadsheet and list out your rent, mortgage, car payments, phone bill, utilities, bills, etc. Look at your past 3 bank statements and credit card statements and list out all of your expenses. Now take your income minus your expenses and see if you have a positive number. You have cash to spare after expenses, or a negative number, which means you're in debt. You should have a budget. Budget how much you spend, how much you save, and how much you give to charity. Number 2, you don't save any money. As you advance your career, you'll make more money. But then you decide you can now afford nicer things, a nicer car, a nicer home, a nicer vacation. As a result, you don't save any money at all because you spend it all. Not saving money is a key reason why you are poor even though you are making more money as a result of your promotions at work. This generation does not like saving money. We are conditioned by our environment to spend, spend, spend. I remember getting my first credit card when I was in university. The credit card companies make it very easy to get a credit card. You can spend and only pay a minimum amount. However, that credit card debt and interest will keep you poor for years to come. Number 3, you only pay the credit card minimum amount. This is a big mistake many people make. They have fallen into the spend now, pay later trap. Credit cards can charge you 20% or more interest, and if you only pay the minimum amount of your credit card every month, usually around $10, it will take you years to pay off the balance, even if the balance is only a few $100s. If you are thinking about investing your money but have a credit card debt, stop investing immediately and use that money to pay off your credit card debt first. On average, you earn 8 to 10% in the stock market by buying an index fund such as the S&P 500. However, your credit card interest rate is 18 to 20%, which is double the average return of the stock market. Any returns you earn from your investments would be wiped out by your credit card debt and put you further into debt. Number 4, not having a financial plan. If you don't have a plan, you probably won't get to where you want to be. Most people don't think about what they truly want. How much money do you want to save by age 30, age 40, age 50? Do you want to be financially free or work until you are 65? Do you want to be able to fund your kids' college tuition? Do you want to retire when you are 50 years old, 55 years old, 60 years old? Most people know it's important to save money and invest when you're young and let the power of compound interest earn you enough money to retire. But for most people in their 20s and 30s, retirement seems too far away to start worrying about. Start thinking how much money you need for retirement. For example, the 4% rule is a popular way to calculate how much you need to withdraw from your retirement account each year. For example, if you need $20,000 per year during retirement, you need to save up $500,000. This is calculated by $20,000 divided by 4%. If you need $50,000 per year, then you need to save up $1.25 million. This is calculated by $50,000 divided by 4%. Impulse buying. Companies are really good at marketing and making us want the newest and fastest gadget. Smartphone companies want us to get the latest flagship smartphone every year with the latest features and technologies. Many people make impulse buys only to have buyer's remorse after purchasing because it adds to their debt. You want to separate your wants from your needs. The phone you are currently using is perfectly fine for making phone calls and running most smartphone apps. You don't need this latest smartphone that you wanted. There's a difference. Learn to buy only what you need and not what you want. Your future self will thank you. If you like this video, please be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.